Very first step, turn off electricity. Second, double check that electricity is off. Yeah, it doesn't work, both of them, just in case. Yeah, this doesn't work, so second, unscrew these two. I have unscrewed these two from the new one here, from here and here as well. Now I just need to separate the plastic cover from this. Like this, it pops out easily. You can see this goes into here at the middle. Here, just like this. So when you put it back, align this one with this, and the holes need to go exactly where they're supposed to go. And this is very easy. You don't have to know which cable is which. This is either positive or negative, this is positive or negative, and that is earth. So what you do, this comes here behind this screw, this cable comes here behind this, and the earth, this one goes here. That's it, that's all you need to do, and make them sure that you tighten them properly. And these two screws are holding this whole thing inside, this one and this one. Now that I loosen these both, the screwdriver, they come out. And now it's time to undo all the cables. All three of them off. I can remove this now. And you can try to insert this as it is, but I know these too well, and I know that these are too weak. So if I put this in, no matter how tight I'm gonna screw it, it will be too loose and it will come out, it will be wobbly inside. So what I do is I swap, I only take these off, and this I swap it with these ones, so it can grab inside the hole much stronger, because if it doesn't, then I have to screw 4 holes into here. So first I try this. If this doesn't work, then I screw the holes into the concrete.